Hey guys, Wayback Rewind here. Today I want to show you a camera from 2003. Turns out it is the world's smallest tape-based camcorder. I didn't even know about this camera before a week ago, but I'm going to show you one live and show you its features and some sample footage, assuming it works. Coming up next here on Wayback Rewind. It is clearly smaller than the IP7. How it compares to PC55, that is open for debate. It does appear to be thinner, a slight bit shorter, not quite as tall, not quite as long, not quite as wide. I think it is fair to say that the IP1 is smaller. This one has this comically large screen. Not sure how to open. This one has a tiny screen. No viewfinder. No cold shoe to speak of. It does have a memory stick. You just saw me open it. Didn't come with any accessories. I believe it has a cradle. Don't suppose I could be as lucky for the same cradle as the PC55. Could try it. There's no way that's going to fit in there. Probably not. Maybe if the door was closed, maybe, but it doesn't seem like it. The question remains, how do I power this up? See if this battery fits. No, I don't think there's going to be any joy on that. We'll see. I'll be darned. I did not think the IP7 battery was going to go in there, but it did. And it closed. Oh my goodness. The screen is lighting up. The screen is lighting up. Got farther along than I expected. Is this a touchscreen? I have no idea. We'll find out in a second. By George, it is a touchscreen. Wow, I'm impressed. First, the tape did close. The 3211 error seems to have cleared. This is the tape. I removed the tape from the IP7. This is the only tape that I own. Sony seems to have been preoccupied with the battle to build the smallest handheld camcorder, and the IP1 is the new undisputed champion. The beauty of this I bought this camera. The seller said that it was broken, said that it had the 3211 error, which it doesn't seem to be exhibiting that error anymore. I'm going to try for the first time ever to load a tape and see what happens. I'm seeing the memory. It's saying standby. That's a good sign. It's saying record. You know, every once in a while I get lucky. I bought this as a broken camera and it appears to be working. I'm getting playback.
This is from my antique camera collection. It's the world's smallest videotape camcorder.
That was a tape that I made in 2017 when I had the IP7, thinking it was the world's smallest. Now I have the world's actual smallest.
You know, every once in a while I get lucky. I bought this as a broken camera, and it appears to be working.
Unfortunately, this battery will not hold a charge. Even though it's a recent battery that I bought for my IP7, it is pretty much dead. I've ordered a new one, and luckily all Sony cameras pretty much use the same charger. So even though I bought this camera and it came with nothing, it uses all of the standard Sony accessories from this era. When you press this button, it records video to the card, and when you press this button, it takes a picture. And despite the warning to the contrary, I have not gotten any tape errors from this at all. That is just an amazingly small mechanism. It's fast too. So you saw when I go to playback mode, it gives me a short screen with the date range of this tape. This tape started at 2014 and goes all the way to 2024, mainly because I only own one MicroMV tape. I need to get a battery for this, a fresh tape, and I will take it out into the field and show you how it records. And there you have it, the Sony DCR-IP1. Camera I didn't even know about before a week ago. The undisputed smallest tape-based camcorder in the world. Had to have one, of course, and I got super lucky and found a working one. So I demonstrated it for you, showed you some of its features, and hopefully you found this interesting. If you found this interesting, please like or subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.